Hmm. Oh, hi. Hey there. Today we're going to have a science lesson and we're going to learn about the reproduction in plants. Oh, wait. Do you know that plants reproduce too? Yes? Hmm. How do they reproduce? Let's take a look. Flowering plants reproduce by seeds, and non-flowering plants are reproduced by spores. And today we are going to learn about flowering plants. In order for flowering plants to reproduce, they need the reproductive organs. So let's take a look at that. Over here, you can see the stamens. That's the male part of the flower that contains the pollen grain. The pollen grains are the male reproductive cells that can fertilize the egg cells. Over here, you can see the female part of the flower. It consists of stigma that receives the pollen grains, the style that connects the stigma to ovary, and ovary, there is an enlarged structure that contains one or more ovules, that is the eggs, that can develop into fruit after fertilization. And the seeds of the fruit will be used to produce a new plant. How cool is that? The male reproductive cells have to join together with the female reproductive cells in order to develop into a fruit. And that process is called fertilization. Reproduction in flowering plants begins with pollination. The transfer of the pollen, which is the male reproductive cells from the anther to the stigma of the flower. After pollination, fertilization will occur. As you can see from here, once an ovule has been fertilized by the pollen, it develops into a seed. Can you see where I'm pointing? Look at the cycle, which will then develop into a fruit to protect the seed. For the seeds to grow into healthy new plants, they must be dispersed or spread away from each other and their parent plant so that they have less competition for the sunlight, water, and nutrients in the soil that they need to grow big and strong. Seeds can be dispersed in a few ways: by wind, by water, by animals, or explosive splitting. No, not this explosion, this explosive splitting. Alrighty, we have come to the end of our short lesson for today on reproduction in plants. I hope you have a great time today and you get to learn a little bit more about reproduction in plants. I'll see you in the next lesson. See you soon. Bye.